Hey, sit down. Drop the knife. You're gonna get hurt, dude.
I know, sir. Sit down right here, okay?
Sit down.
Drop the hatchet now!
Drop it, dude. Hey, I don't want to hurt you. I will. You're under arrest. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it now! You're good.
Drop it.
Drop it right now!
Here's the same video, slowed down and zoomed in, showing the man holding the hatchet and chisel. These are photographs of the three-bladed instruments located by investigators.